A crowd gathered as 4 former police officers charged in George Floyd's death left court today.
All of them appeared in front of a judge to address several issues. Here's video showing former officers Thomas Lane and J. Alexander King as protesters surrounded them as they left the courtroom. They eventually were able to get into a truck and drive away. Tutow was able to get out of court pretty quickly. This is Derek Chauvin, seen here in an orange jumpsuit. He is not free on bail. Deputies hurried him out of the back of the courthouse in shackles. We have team coverage this evening. We begin with Esme Murphy, who was inside the courthouse this morning.
Former officer Derek Chauvin changed out of his orange prison jumpsuit into a suit to appear with the 3 other former officers who were out on bail. Judge Peter Cahill's biggest ruling came when he disqualified Hennepin County Attorney Mike Freeman and 3 of his attorneys from the case because they might be witnesses. 2 days after Floyd's death, Freeman and the attorneys met with Dr. Andrew Baker, who conducted the autopsy on George Floyd. Judge Cahill said Freeman and the other attorneys' actions were, quote, sloppy, and they are off the case. The judge also ruled evidence from a prior arrest of Floyd's in Texas would not be admitted, the judge asking what possible relevance could that have. The judge did not rule on motions to dismiss charges against the officers, but he did hint that he'd like to see the trial stay in Minneapolis. The judge saying there is not a county or state in this country that has not had publicity in the George Floyd case. Defense attorney Robert Pauley argued for moving the case, saying, quote, "We have had cities ablaze because of these cases." Afterward, Attorney General Keith Ellison, who was in charge of the prosecution, said there will be justice for George Floyd.
George Floyd mattered, he was loved, and his life had value.
The judge in this case has 90 days to make his rulings, but he has said in writing that he hopes to have most of these rulings done by October 15th. In Minneapolis, Esme Murphy, WCCO 4 News.
Hennepin County Attorney Mike Freeman said the meeting in question was in accordance with Supreme Court guidelines. Freeman says he is confident the order barring him from the case will eventually be withdrawn. The next scheduled court date is March 8th, which is the beginning of the trial.